those days, sir?
On a Saturday.
Yep.
I need to talk to my boss.
Who's your boss? I thought you were my boss.
Yeah, I need to talk to my boss. I can't work like this.
The wife is the boss. Minister of Home Affairs, of Finances. She the boss of everything.
When I is working, he is the boss. So I need to talk to my boss about giving me time off on Saturdays. I can't work on Saturdays. Shit is wrong. My children need me.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sedi Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. It's been a month but still unbelievable. It was this day last month when we received the news of Shona Ferguson's passing. Sedi Motsunyane Ferguson, first daughter of Connie Ferguson, shared the following heartbreaking message on her Facebook page, and it read, "A month ago today. Still feels as fresh as the moment we heard the news. It still doesn't make any sense far. I wish it did, but I know you are with us. Your absence is deep, but your spiritual presence is felt deeper. I miss you. I love you. Hashtag the show goes on." And the condolences messages, guys, started pouring in her comment section. Indeed, Uncle Shaw may be gone, but he will never be forgotten, especially by his family. May his soul continue to rest in peace. Hashtag show goes on. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.